What's up, everybody? It's Dominic with fulltimepressure.com, bringing you more news that you can use. While many of you are on your way to consume and give your hard-earned money away to other people, there are those of you who are here to make money. If you want to make money, you need to understand your customers. So I pose a question to you: how well do you know your customers? Why do the people buy the product that you offer? Why do they buy? Not when I say why they buy, I'm not asking you, do they need to buy the hammer to, put a nail in the wall? Because that's not why they bought the hammer. Although that hammer and nail gets what they want done, the objective of them buying the hammer and nail was to hang a picture or to repair something. Who do they buy from? Where do your customers usually buy from? What type of businesses do they usually buy from? Where do they shop? Do they shop online? Do they like going in brick and mortar stores? Do they like ordering from catalogs? Do they like physical products, or do they like digital downloads? How are they making their transactions? People take it for granted that everybody wants to pay by a credit card because the internet is convenience. Not all customers shop online. That's why where do you shop came before this question. Once you understand where they shop, you can understand how they're making their transactions. Are they cash buyers, card buyers? Are they old school and like to write a check? Do they prefer buy now, pay later? If they prefer buy now, pay later, you need a website to ensure that you can secure these customers. Because a lot of times your problem ain't that you can't make money. It's that you're not doing other things and the right things that would make you money. So the simple fact that you don't have the way that your customer likes to pay available on your site or at your business can fuck your pockets up in a major way. What are they getting out of the deal? And this goes back to why do they buy? What are they getting out of the deal? If they're an emotional buyer, they're getting some emotional gratification. If they're an impulsive buyer, they're getting some type of emotional, some type of emotional validation. If they're a studious buyer, they're looking for something with long time value. What are they getting out of the deal? What is the benefit of this person or this business electing to do business with you other than other people? Rather than other people, excuse me. These are important things that you need to know in order to guarantee your business success. If you want to learn more about guaranteeing your freedom, it's available at www.maroonmarketing.org. This is how you apply pressure.